Hello and welcome to my channel, E-Commerce Success Strategies, where I show you different programs that will help you with an online business. I am Jennifer, an oldie but goodie, and I really focus on those of us over 40 who want to get into this online space and some of the things that we can do to make that easier. So the first thing I want to cover today is our digital growth community and the details around that program and what it can offer to you. So let's jump into it. So you can see here when you log into the digital growth community, these are the different levels that you will immediately see. The Legacy Builders program, which is the $900 program. You've got Passive Daily Profit, which is your $300. Digital Mastery, $600, and then the Launchpad is $100. So you can start at any level in this program. So if you want to start out with the Launchpad and pay $100, you still get access to the digital community and everything within the program. So it is a great place to start. And then once you start making money, you can upgrade to the more expensive courses, and then you have more streams of income. So let's jump into the Legacy Builders program, which is the $900 course, and it gives you access to all 4 products. So you would have the ability to resell those for 100% profit, and that would give you the full 4 income streams. So let's take a look at it. You guys, this has so much in it that it's amazing. So let's just kind of scroll down and look at the different possibilities within this program. Let me move myself over here. So a welcome, how you use the community, what to expect. Zoom calls, we do have every week Zoom calls with different tips and tricks, different trainings. We have outside guests who come in and teach us about Pinterest and Canva and different skills that we can learn along the way. So it's never-ending training. Kajabi, teaching you how to use this system, and this is where we are. It's in Kajabi is where the program is hosted, so it takes you through all of those steps on how to learn how to use it, which is super user-friendly. Then we get into what is an online business? You know, what is passive income, master resell rights, how to get into that 2-hour workday, which we're all striving for. So it gives you all of these tools that you can use to even get started in an online business. The Freedom Machine was added after I even purchased the program. Now we get into the technical side of things. Now I don't want this to scare you because it will take you through step by step how to set all of this up. There is a weekly tech call where you can get on live with an expert and they can take you through if you're having trouble getting your funnels. They will take your questions and help you through that. So it's amazing. But you can see you're going to set up your domain, which is you'll have your own specific website, how to get into system.io, which is where your automation takes place. And it is free, so don't fret. It's not like we're adding on all of these additional features that you have to pay for. System.io is free. How to get your email address set up, because you do want a professional email to go along with your website. Then we get to connecting your sales funnel, how to bring in. They actually, in this program, it is already set up for you. You just have to import it into System.io. Then we get into personalizing your email and your email campaigns. Again, the email campaign is already set up. All you do is import it into your system and then just customize it with your name and your personal information. It's amazing. Social media, it takes you through how to set up TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. There's a whole training session on Pinterest and Canva, growing your following, understanding what it means to resell a product at 100% profits. Finding your ideal customer. That's just page 1. No, that's just page 1, folks. How to share a story. And they're going to teach you how to really connect with your customer, because if this is all new to you, you know, it can be terrifying to think you have to get on camera to make a connection with people. And so this program takes you through all of those steps, creating your brand, mastering your message, understanding TikTok and how it works, creating ads. This is another great section of the training, because if you don't want to do anything where you're showing your face, you don't have to. This shows you how to post free ads. There's also a training on Pinterest, and with Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you can do faceless ads and still be extremely successful. And there's tons of people in this program who do that. There's going to be a new YouTube training, and that's coming out on April 30th. There's a whole section on Pinterest to teach you how to do Pinterest training. And once you get in the groove, you have 10 a day on autopilot and get those scheduled for the whole month. So once you get in your groove, it truly is a 2-hour workday. Stories, reels, you can see, look, these are all things that are coming up in the next few weeks, and at no additional cost. So you're going to pay your one-time fee, and that's it forever. I still, when I say that out loud, it's hard for me to even fathom, but it is one fee forever. 6 figures in 6 months. These are live trainings where we have showing people how to build your email list, conversions, I mean, on and on and on. So you can see this is within the Legacy Builders program, which is the $900 course. And when you look at the 600, the 300, and the 100, it's more condensed, of course. You don't get everything, but you still get all the additional trainings that are developed later. You still get access to the growth community, which I'm going to show you next. So it's still an extremely valuable program, even at the $100 level. So let's take a look then at the digital growth community and what it looks like. So when you're in the community, you can see there are tabs here taking you to the classroom, the calendar, members. But I do want to show you this. So this is the feed, the live feed. So like I could post a question that I needed to get answered from the group, or I can post it to the tech support group to say I'm having issues, and they will address it there as well. So you can see people are posting. Michelle O'Neill, who is our mentor, she actually posts something daily with a tip or trick or a motivational message. Right now we have 90K in 90 days to 30K, and she posts something every day to motivate us in that challenge. So that's the daily feed. Then this is the part that really motivates you, is the wins. Look, guys, this is 37 minutes ago. This is live. I already made $2,000 by 2 p.m. yesterday. Here we go. 20 days, $10,500. That was 17 hours ago. These are real live, ordinary people like you and I. Automation rules, 3 videos done in under an hour. See, once you have mastered this, you can do this in a 2-hour day. My first sale, $900. Woke up to another $900. So this goes on and on, showing you that real people are actually doing this, right? So let's go to the classroom. This is also additional resources for you. So you can see this is our 90-day legacy run, 30K in 90 days. So you can go in and see each day's tips and tricks and motivation. Tech help. Every week there's a tech call. Those are recorded. The content vault. Let's go in here because I want you to see exactly what is included. Look, hooks, truth bombs, how you can hook people in your videos, on and on and on. And this is added to on a daily basis. Testimonials is my favorite because it actually takes you through some videos that you can use in your content from people. You can see the webinars are recorded. You can see here images, the webinar. Let's go down. These are all where you see these images. These are all testimonials. And it's on Perfect Customer Testimony, Regina's IPS testimony. Look, I mean, it is phenomenal the amount of information that is offered within this program. And then we get to the calendar where I can show you exactly. You can see here at 2 p.m. there is a webinar. And then tomorrow there's one at 11 and one at 2. This is a outside speaker at 2 p.m. tomorrow. So you guys, I can't say enough about this digital growth community and the programs that are offered within this program. So if I go back to view all of my products, you can see there are also bonuses let's go in and take a look at that as well. 200 digital product ideas. So if you want to create your own products, 30-day marketing strategy, how to start an online business, your invisible empire, welcome to Canva. Here's your Canva crash course that's going to be available. So I can't tell you enough how much valuable information is out here. So thanks for watching. If you look in the comments, I have access to my website where you can actually go and look at more information about the digital community. So I hope that this helps you make a good decision, and please make comments, and I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. Thanks.